Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2008 Ford Ranger single cab chassis XL Ute. Stock reference number 4358. It's fitted with a WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine, backed by a 5-speed manual rear-wheel drive transmission. WLAT 2.5 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front. We have the left-hand headlight. Left guard appears to have no damage. It's fitted with 15-inch steel rims. The left front has a good tyre. Left power door mirror in black. Left door has 2 small dents. Left rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. It's fitted with a plexiglass alloy tray supplied with all bolts, brackets, looms, guards and lights. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets, loom and neck. Right rear, 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. We have the right power door mirror in black and a right front 15-inch steel rim with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch, single plug type. 5-speed manual gear shifter. Heated controls, heated control knobs. 6-stack CD player, factory. Interior mirror, left sun visor, right sun visor. Instrument cluster. And an average 4-spoke vinyl steering wheel with no audio or phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.